Let's wait.
We got one where?
Right there. You can see his fins.
Just facing this way?
Facing that way.
Little
One
guy.
a little bit deeper. He's pretty good size. Let's go on the other side. We'll let this guy turn broadside for a good shot at him.
Alright. I think I'm looking in the right spot. Yeah, I can see the bottom.
You can kind of see his face and see that green.
Like the green clumpy just to the left of it.
Right there.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's what.
Stick, right?
Oh.
There's another one deeper behind that stick. You can see the mud. I got him. He's good. Oh yeah. Let's let this guy get. That's our best bet here. Let's let him get turned. Now they'll wait.
Alright, you take that sucker. I might stroll down a little bit. Oh, is that second one long?
Yes.
Oh, dang, I see that one.
Oh, I want this guy to turn. That's how you shoot him. This is like not even a foot of water. Oh man, you see it? Right there. Oh, holy shit, Eric! Our poop.
Oh,
boys.
dude, he's still there. He's still there. Dude, Eric, good shot. That's way bigger than I thought. Are you recording?
I'm on.
Heck yeah.
First shot.
Look at that sucker.
We are back.
Oh, let's go.
We're back. This is cool. First shot of the day today. Looks like a snag right in the side. Right?
Yeah, I was over.
Oh, perfect. Do you keep them? No. Hey there, Dude, that was weird because that arrow didn't really go in that fish.
All right, real quick while I'm going, you need to pick that sucker up. Give him a good view. That's big.
That sucker up.
You not picking it up?
No, he's stinky. I'm trying to eat lunch later.
Dude, guys, look at that. There's my foot. That's a nice one.
Got him. Look at this guy.
Hey, he's lights out. You recording? That a baby. Okay, guys. Oh, there's a big one cruising. Alex is 0 for 3. Eric 2 for 2.
Taste in his ass.
Another nice one. Look at that, guys. Another. Look at that big old orange tail. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Cool.
Dude, I honestly thought I was going to get a double there. Two swim right by side each other. Cool. Neat reference. See these fish? They'll come down and shoot fish.
Hey, he's fine. He's fine. I missed him. Gosh dang it. Guys, I'm 0 for 4. Struggle bus. Okay guys, pointers. You want to aim low. There's like 3 of them. If they're in the water, if they're right at the top, you can pretty much aim the same. Dang it, and I go over them again. Guys, it has been a while, but there's like 3 there, 4 there. I just spooked one. Eric, 4. And glasses are huge. Polarized glasses. I'm not gonna act like I'm a pro. Eric is way better than me. Dude, see him? There's one of Eric's. try and shoot that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on. There's one. Right, let me see if he shows up real quick.
Oh, you're fine. I'm just saying, like, eventually.
Oh, no. You tag it. Oh,
Right there, right there.
where? Where?
Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. Right there.
Where?
Yeah?
Yeah, where's he facing?
Oh, right there.
Oh, no, I got him. Where is he?
Hold
Oh, I got him.
Oh,
Got him.
yeah.
Got him.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, and we got.
This, right here.
Got him, guys. A nice one. There it was. Coffee, good call. He's not as big as I thought. Still a good one.
He's a giant, dude. Look at him taking that line out.
I probably could tighten my drag here a little bit. There we go. Got him.
Pasted him.
Dang, that's a thin one. He don't look healthy.
He's a sick one.
A little low with the shot, but that's a hit, boys. Okay. Nick.
Guys, I don't know what I'm capable of if I hit one.
Dude, that's a good one.
It's a long one, but it ain't healthy.
It ain't
See how
healthy.
skinny it is?
Okay, Nick, all you gotta do, you screw this down a little bit. Actually, it was these things, these clips, just pull forward.
Is this pretty accurate?
This bow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna toss it back in. Maybe he's got a chance, you know.
Forgot you like carp, don't you?
Yeah, it's my first fish.
Guys, a nice one. Their tails are just pretty. That's cool. Alright.
Guys, that was a great start. That went very well.
There's yours over there. There's that guy cruising.
And that dead one?
No, it's a live one.
That poor guy.
Oh, you already shot that one, didn't you?
Yeah. He's like, damn it, leave me alone. You already.
Okay,